When it comes to enhancing your home's value, many homeowners focus on kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, or landscaping. However, one of the most effective yet often overlooked upgrades is window replacement. This home improvement project not only improves the aesthetics of your home but also adds tangible benefits that can significantly boost its market value. If you're a homeowner in Cayce, South Carolina, you might be surprised at how much new windows can transform your property. Curb appeal and first impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in making your home stand out in the competitive real estate market. When prospective buyers drive by or approach your house, the condition of your windows will be one of the first things they notice. Old, cracked, or weathered windows can create a negative first impression and make your home appear dated or poorly maintained. By replacing your windows with more modern, energy-efficient models, you can immediately elevate the exterior appearance of your home. New windows come in a wide variety of styles and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect look that complements your home's architecture. Whether you have a classic, traditional style home or a more contemporary one, there's a window option that can enhance your overall curb appeal. And, as we know, first impressions matter, especially when it comes to potential buyers. Increased energy efficiency. One of the main reasons for replacing old windows is to improve the energy efficiency of your home. Older windows tend to have poor insulation properties, allowing drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. This can cause your energy bills to spike, especially during extreme weather conditions. In Cayce, where the climate can vary from hot, humid summers to chilly winters, energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference. Modern windows are designed with advanced materials and technology, such as low emissivity, low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas-filled panes, all of which help keep your home's temperature stable. By reducing the need for constant heating or cooling, new windows can lower your utility bills. This not only makes your home more comfortable year-round but also offers a long-term return on investment, which is particularly appealing to prospective buyers looking to save on energy costs. Enhanced home security and safety. Old windows, especially those with worn-out locks or brittle frames, can pose security risks. They can be easier to break or force open, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Additionally, older windows often have single panes of glass, which are more prone to cracking or shattering. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and are made of sturdier materials, improving both your home's security and safety. For families with young children or pets, modern windows can also offer safer design features, such as secure opening mechanisms that prevent accidents. A home that is safe and secure is always more attractive to buyers, and the added peace of mind can be a big selling point. Noise reduction. Another significant benefit of replacing your windows is the reduction of outside noise. If you live in a busy area of Cayce, such as near a highway or railroad tracks, you know how disruptive noise pollution can be. Newer windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, provide a much better sound barrier than older windows. By reducing the amount of noise that enters your home, New windows can create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Prospective buyers will notice the difference during an open house or private showing. Homes in quiet neighborhoods or with features that provide tranquility are often more desirable. If you're looking to sell, window replacement can help ensure that your home stands out from others on the market. Long-term investment and return on value. When considering home improvements that increase property value, it's important to think long-term. While window replacement may seem like a significant upfront investment, it pays off over time in both increased home value and energy savings. Studies show that homeowners can recoup up to 70% or more of the cost of window replacement when they sell their home. In addition, modern windows are built to last longer than older models, meaning you'll benefit from fewer maintenance costs and repairs. This can be especially valuable for prospective buyers, who will appreciate the low-maintenance nature of a home with newly replaced windows. Conclusion. For homeowners in Cayce looking to increase their home's value, window replacement is a smart and effective choice. Not only does it enhance curb appeal and aesthetics, but it also improves energy efficiency, security, safety, and noise reduction. All of these factors combine to create a more desirable and valuable property. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest in your home's future, replacing your windows is a step in the right direction.